My Life Lately by Rod Mateo.
Uy, ang dami. Uy, galing ka ba Abu Dhabi?
It's my birthday.
Do they pay attention carefully?
Next year, papanoorin nyo to. RN na kayo. Yeah. Share ko lang naman ka. Okay, hindi pa pa ito sa'yo next time.
I only have what's right in front.
Hello guys, we're off to Pobla. Going to Pobla with Francis.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, quick check.
Hi guys. Let's check.
Bye. See you, Pobla. Round 2. Here we go.
I need an intervention, divine intervention. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past.
It's Salcedo Day. Medyo naligaw kami Unang pumunta kami sa Legazpi. Meron pala dito pala yung Salcedo.
I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. Compromise, compromise.
Hi, welcome 2025. Say hi.
I mean a nice vacation with your introspection.
Let's go. Run.
There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you.
Yeah, hello guys. So ito try namin ngayon yung mga nagpo 0.5 tapos tumatakbo tapos pa 5 km, 10 km. So let's go. Tignan niyo kung pasok sa amin ah. Okay.
Ay, hold this.
Ikaw na. 3 km. 10 km. Okay, bakit tuloy?
Only you know what is right for me. Compromise, compromise, compromise. Improvise, improvise, improvise.
Hello guys, kasama ko si Sheila. It's Bataan Day. Yeah, biglaan to. Di namin alam saan kami pupunta. Look at this.
Bataan Day!
One more.
Happy Bataan Day! Sweet!
Guys, tignan nyo. We're in 2025. Ang dami pa man yung hairstyle. Okay, start na to. Ang calculator pa. Yung ano niya. Dashboard. And then yung pencil niya. So much hairstyle. For 2025. Let's go. Room namin guys, 6'1". Ito yung room namin na hindi pa ganda yung upuan. Tapos, pero na, luminis na tong ano, wala na yung mga letter na A, B, C, D. Tapos may TV pa sila oh. Grabe, elementary school. Oo, talagang malalakit nila yun eh. Oo, tingnan nyo.
Dati alambre lang yung pwede.
Oo, improving talaga generation ngayon.
Alam nyo kung ano nagbago?
Ano?
Dami ng electric fan.
Oo, grabe. Naka 360. Samantalang kami nun. Agawan talaga. Magkakapatayan na. Ito yung school ko. What? Project namin. Oo, nagaba kami 50 pesos. PTA. Okay. Nakakainis. Nandito kami sa Buhay guys. So after nito, magkikita-kita kami ng mga junior high, LM classmates namin. Siya yung galing New Zealand guys. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
Ito yung galing Mabatang. Say hi to the vlog. Hello guys. Ito yung pinakamadali na namin. Susunod ito. Yung bully namin nung LM. That's it.
lipstick ni Rose. Grabe. Grabe. Sino ka dyan? Sino yung heartbroken na yan? Grabe yung fit. Hey guys. Wala pa si Jessa. Hintay namin si Jessa. Ang tagal-tagal ni Jessa. Huwag na yung kape namin. Last enrollment. Yes. Last time na namin. Let's go. Haba ng pila, pinasingit nila ako. Grabe. This is the situation. Ito na yun guys. Nagbayad na kami. And pupunta na kami doon. Let's go. Namimiss ko tong BPSU sa totoo lang. Kala mo naman na alis na agad. Hello guys, may regalo si Naya sa amin. Galing Gabon. So let's see kung ano nasa loob. Grabe yung cake. Parang, Uy, ano kaya ito? Na-excite ako. Wow! Ang dami. Uy, galing ka ba Abu Dhabi? Wow, look guys. Dami. What is this? Wow! Thank you so much. Uy, nuts. Message, nuts. Oo, mahilig ako sa nuts. Wow! Thank you so much. Wow! Ano to? Haribo. What is this? Oh, sour. Para siyang gummy worms. Thank you so much, Naya. Yeah, galing OFW. Thank you so much. Sa Jeep, baka next vlog ko na i-upload yun sa kanya. Thank you, Naya. Mga walang sasakyan. Mga sponty biglaan lang. Minsan lang naman yung magmukhang nagliba. Ako nga, ayun nga yung nakaka-open. Nakamatic na. Fit check. Ako guys, alam ko ng fit check ngayon. Happy birthday to me guys! It's my birthday! It's my 22 birthday guys! Okay, make a wish.
So in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are.
Super late. Ako yung nauna. Ah. Thank you so much. Guys, may pa-candle sila at cake. Thank you so much. Mga angels ko. Hindi ko na-extra kala ko Thank you. So, i-open natin, unbox natin kung ano yung cake na to. Pinagkambagan niyo ba ito Ano ba ito Dala ko sa auto dito. Wow, chocolate. Thank you guys. Ano to? Extended ang birthday ko Pala na Monday pa. Pero natulog ako kahapon Kailan ka kasi Ano to? So much. Okay, go.
Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibe and the tan line. Keep the free mind, yeah.
Happy birthday! Alright, once again, happy birthday! Happy
Thank you, Lunico.
Got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine.
Para meron ako I'll get mine as well.
Ay, bakit naman dito hinawakan, owners?
I need an intervention. Divine intervention.
Welcome to... Yeah, welcome to Ron's Vlog.
Only in
Oh, say hi.
moments do they pay attention carefully.
Yeah. Morning jog daw. Morning jog. Go.
But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon.
Makita si Jelka. Bawal pala makita si Jelka. Say hi. Hi guys, lesson. Hi. Naman. Next year, papanoorin nyo to. Arnold na kayo. Yes. Arnold na kami guys. Let's go. Okay, sila na naman po kasama ko. Marami na exposure to ha. Ito, long clips ka niya. Ito, alam mo na. Ito, shooting na. Uwi na ng New Zealand. Wala syempre. Oo. So, kakatas ng klase ko. Kita ko sila. Enjoy ka lang naman ka. Okay, okay. Hindi pa pa-edit ko sa'yo na ito.
There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you. Your sadness doesn't compare to the happiness that's just around the corner. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. Compromise, compromise.
Parang last kita namin. 2019 talaga. Bago magtanda. Ganyan siya ka na nila. Ganyan kami nag-airport.
I need an intervention.